Hello, my name is Thivya Kandappu from Singapore Management University. In this video, I am going to present our work on developing privacy-preserving episodic memory support for older adults, which was done in collaboration with my colleagues Vigneshwaran and Qianli from A-Star Singapore. Built-in pervasive cameras have become an integral part of mobile and wearable devices and enabled a wide range of ubiquitous applications with their ability to be always on. In particular, it has been used as a means to enhance quality of life of older adults who often experience problems with eliciting memories. More specifically, the public sector has shown a growing interest in using life logging as a memory prosthesis to aid patients with or without autobiographical memory impairment by collating and presenting the visual life logs as a digital storyboard or a diary to older adults who can then retrieve the images and reminisce relevant episodic memories. However, these embedded cameras automatically capture various sensitive information and amplify privacy-related implications. In addition to the obvious privacy threats such as private information being captured and presented, by longitudinally collating the images and applying computer vision techniques, an attacker can extract various information such as social network, relationship between people appear in the image, and so on. To showcase the extent of such implicit privacy loss, we attempt to infer social ties between the life loggers, who doesn't appear in the images, and by the bystander. We collect life log data of 54 participants of mean age 62.6 years who wore a wearable camera for 4 weeks and carried on to perform their day-to-day activities. By longitudinally observing spatio-temporal co-occurrences between life logger and a bystander, we were first able to infer the affiliation network. We then utilized this affiliation network and deduced the social network graph of life loggers. To capture the significance of spatio-temporal interactions between two people, we relied on various spatio-temporal properties such as exactness of a co-occurrence, rarity of it, and frequency. Please refer to the paper for more details. We find that an adversary can accurately infer the social relationship with 82% precision and 68% recall. Having seen the scale of privacy loss, we investigate the following research questions in this specific paper. First, we address how do various visual cues presented in images affect an older adult's ability to recall the event. Secondly, we focus on what are the obfuscation strategies that could boost the privacy guarantees while preserving reminiscability. And finally, we investigate are there any tangible benefits from selectively obfuscating various parts of the images. So to answer our very first research question on establishing interdependency between visual artifacts in the images and reminiscability, we conducted a user study where the participants from our data collection trial were tested for delayed episodic memory recall by showing the images and asked to provide a score for the reminiscability of these images according to the remember or know paradigm. In this figure, we show the distribution of participant annotated reminiscability scores categorized into various contextual image cues such as home, eat, hospital or clinic, leisure, and so on. We observe that, on average, the face of human provides better memory recall, almost 31% as higher as compared to the no human cue. Further, we also find that memory scores are influenced by the contextual cues such as home, leisure, and hospital when even no human is detected in the image. Having witnessed the impact of the various artifacts and contextual cues on reminiscability, we now propose a practical approach to balance the privacy and utility. In our case, it is reminiscability. We propose opportunistic obfuscation, where, based on the contextual and visual cues presented in the image, the user client obfuscates only the part of the images automatically before storing or sending the images over the internet to the cloud or any other personal devices. By adopting various degrees of obscuring, by blurring the background, only the human faces or face and body, we show that lower obfuscation level preserve memorability in greater details. Even the higher privacy levels does not degrade the memorability for certain contexts. In summary, we considered a visual live logging and showed how a live logging service provider could glean sensitive information by correlating live logs uploaded by several live loggers concurrently. More precisely, we show that by collating images across various live loggers, the platform can estimate the social network tie strength with 82% precision. We then exhibited the interdependency between reminiscability and the visual cues presented in the images. Subsequently, we established a set of human intelligible obfuscation strategies that obscure one or more visual scene elements presented in the image. With that conclusion, we end today's talk. Please refer to the paper for more details and feel free to see us during our sessions if you have any questions. Thank you.